Have you ever asked an AI for something and gotten back a response that was just meh? Maybe it was too vague. Maybe it was totally off topic. Or maybe it was just a wall of text that was impossible to read. It's frustrating, right? You know the AI is powerful, but it feels like you're not speaking the same language. Well, what if I told you there's a simple, repeatable formula, a secret sauce that can transform your AI interactions from confusing to brilliant? In this video, I'm going to give you that secret sauce, what a prompt really is. The simple three-part formula, role plus task plus goal. A live demo showing the formula in action, beginner-friendly tips, and common mistakes to avoid. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll be writing prompts that get you exactly what you want every single time. Section 1. What is a prompt anyway? So, first things first, let's get super clear on our main ingredient, the prompt. A prompt is simply the set of instructions you give to an AI. Think of it like this. You're the director of a movie, and the AI is your all-star actor. If you just tell your actor, be sad, you might get a decent performance. But if you say, you're a retired astronaut who's just heard that your last remaining friend from the mission has passed away. Show me the moment the news hits you with a single tear. That's when you get an Oscar-worthy scene. The prompt is your direction. The better your direction, the better the performance. It's not magic, it's communication. And the best way to communicate clearly with an AI is by using a simple three-part formula. Section 2. The secret sauce. Role plus task plus goal. Here it is, the secret sauce. Role plus task plus goal. Let's break down each part. Part 1. The role. This is where you tell the AI who to be. You are assigning it a job or a character. This frames its entire perspective and knowledge base. Instead of just asking for a workout, tell it to act as a fitness coach. Instead of asking for business advice, say, you're a seasoned business strategist. Instead of asking for a recipe, say act as a Michelin star chef. See the difference? You're giving a context, and that makes all the difference in the world. Part 2. The task. This is the most straightforward part. This is the what. What exactly do you want the AI to do? Be specific and clear about the action. Create a simple 10-minute workout. Write a persuasive email to my manager. Explain the concept of gravity like I'm 10 years old. The task is the core action. It's the verb. What is the main thing you want delivered? Part 3. The goal. This is the why. Why are you asking for this task? What is the end result you're trying to achieve? This helps the AI understand your deeper intention and tailor its response perfectly. The goal is to get my heart rate up and feel energized. The goal is to request next Friday off without sounding demanding. The goal is to help me understand the basics for my science homework. Act as a fitness coach. Role. Create a simple 10-minute workout for a beginner. Task. The goal is to get my heart rate up and feel energized. Goal. When you put all three together, you move from a weak question to a powerful, specific instruction. Let's see this in action. Live. Section 3. Live demo and comparison. Let's imagine I need help planning a meal. Give me a chicken recipe. Okay, not bad. It gave me something, but it's pretty basic. Now, let's apply our secret sauce. Role. Act as a meal prepping expert for busy families. Task. Create a recipe for a lemon herb chicken that can be made in one pan in under 30 minutes. List the ingredients in a bulleted list and the steps clearly. Goal. The goal is to have a healthy, low-mess weekday dinner that my picky kids might actually enjoy. Wow, look at the difference. The second prompt gave us a specific recipe, a clear format, and it even considered the picky kid's goal. That's the power of the role plus task plus goal formula. Section 4. Pro tips and tricks for beginners. Now that you have the basic formula down, here are a few simple tips to take your prompts to the next level. Tip 1. Don't be shy. Be specific. If you want a specific format, ask for it. Say things like, present the answer in bullet points, or structure this as a table, or write in a friendly, conversational tone. The AI will obey. Tip 2. Provide a little context. Sometimes your goal isn't enough. Feel free to add a line of context. For example, after your goal, you could add, "For context, I have a backyard but no gym equipment." Or the email recipient is my senior director, so keep it formal. Tip 3. Iterate. Don't freak out. Your first prompt might not be perfect, and that's okay. AI conversation is a dialogue. If the first response isn't right, you could just follow up. Say, "That's good, but can you make it simpler? Or can you give me 3 more options?" This is called iterating, and it's a totally normal part of the process. Conclusion and recap. And there you have it. The secret sauce to unlocking the full potential of AI is no longer a secret. You're now a prompt pro. Let's do a quick recap of what you learned today. A prompt is your instructions set to the AI. The golden formula is role plus task plus goal. Role tells the AI who to be. Task tells the AI what to do. Goal tells the AI why it's doing it. By using this simple framework, you'll get more useful, accurate, and creative results, saving you time and frustration. This is just the beginning of your AI journey. If you found this helpful and you want to learn more tips and tricks for mastering AI tools, then hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next. I have a whole playlist of beginner-friendly AI tutorials waiting for you. Thanks for watching. It's me, that internet guy, and I'll see you in the next video.